A little bonus vlog this week. If you want to see how to put up a Glawning, here's the owner of the company showing you how.
Just wait for any stragglers. So I've got a 5 metre 2-door.
Down in the shade.
I have cheated slightly just so that this thing doesn't blow away by putting some pegs in. So you can add 30 seconds onto that. So has anyone got a phone that you can use to time me with? Alright, you're not started it yet? Okay. Right, okay, well we'll start it now then. Start the timer. So yeah, get it out the bag and then roll it out. So far, so easy. And then you just need to work out where the doors are. So easy way is to look for zips, but also the Glawning badge is always between the 2 doors. And then on your footprint you should have 2 long edges. So you've got long edge with 3 pegs in it, that's where your door goes. And once you've done that, you just need to peg out the main tent. Now there's 2 pegging points there. You want to ignore that one. That's just for if you're rolling the sides up. Just peg to that one. It's attached to the canvas. So pop your pegs in. Nice 45-degree angle. Like watching paint dry, isn't it?
This is in real time.
Gets even worse when I go inside the tent, you can't even see me.
You'll be able to hear you though. Still is bad boy. Good investment.
Ignore the one in the middle of the door, you don't really need that. So once you've got all your pegs in, you just need to grab your poles. Find a suitable door to enter. And you're going in with your A-frame first, so that's the big thick one.
That's the centre pole.
Watch your heads. So you're just looking for the little witch's hat on the top, just find that, straight in. Let me take that. And then with your A-frames, pop your rain caps off, and it's best to throw these in like this. Don't try and unfold them before you go in. And then when you're in there, Dino, do you want to just open that door on the front so people can see something at least? I've just said don't do this before you go in, haven't I? So you're just popping these together and then they go through the hole on the top of the door. And then an easy way to put them in is just put your foot the other side of the pocket. So if you can see that, I'm putting my foot the other side and the A-frame will just slot in. Same with the other one. So I'm just slotting the other one in to the other pockets. And then it's just a case of pegging the ropes. So with the ropes, someone's helpfully tied them all up to make it harder to do it in 10 minutes.
You know.
So with the ropes, you want to give yourself about a foot so that you can then adjust them. Don't pull them too tight. I generally go around with all my pegs so they're all there ready. Oh, look. This is cheating, having two people help. But you normally wouldn't have the ropes tied up, so that's no excuse. And when you're pegging these, you want to make sure that you're following the seam of the tent. So I'll do that again when I'm around the front so you can see what I mean. Again, make sure you're going with your pegs at a nice 45-degree angle so they don't pop out the ground. So with the poles, the A-frames, when you're putting them in, some people, no names mentioned, try to thread them through the loops. It's quite common actually, so don't feel bad about it. Try to thread them through the loops around the door. Those loops are just for tying the doors back. And if you try to do that, you'll be in all sorts of problems. I'm glad they picked a nice warm day for this anyway. Always helps. So yeah, what I was saying with the ropes, make sure that they're lined with the seam, not off to the left or the right. I'm slightly stuck with this one unfortunately, but I'll go with what I've got. That space here, so I'll just tie a little knot in it and shorten it. And then once you've done all that, it's just a case of tensioning. So with the tensioning, which is probably the most important bit, all you're trying to do is get these walls vertical. So don't over tighten and pull them over vertical, because you can always go around again a second time and get the tightness. So you're just going for a vertical wall all the way around. And as I say, you can tweak that if you need. So what are we on time-wise? 8 minutes 15. So
This was filmed at the weekend at Glampfest, and we've got a vlog this Friday about the whole festival. It's a brilliant family-friendly one, so tune in then. Bye for now.